We've been building things since we became conscious. We develop tools to make our work easier. We build shelters for our comfort. Being able to build is one of our greatest talents. We can make detailed calculations and designs and apply them successfully. So why does our memory to build disappear? Why can't we pass it on to the next generations? Why do we forget how we built? How does our collective memory fade? Have you ever thought about this? If the places we build are related to our faith or feel important, we protect them for generations. We are interested in these places, but we don't remember how we built it. Think of artifacts such as the Mayan civilization, the Atlantean civilization, the Egyptian pyramids, Roman artifacts, Göbekli Tepe. We know their civilization, we see the remains of the works, but we do not know how it is built, its construction processes, its calculations. It is being erased from our collective memory. There is no need to go back thousands of years. Think of your grandfather's father. Do you know how he built his house, where he stayed? Did you notice the problem now? As you can see, we are erasing from our memory even 3 generations ago. If you say that with the use of technology, this problem will be fixed. Have you taken notes about owning or building a house? Will you forward these notes to your child? Will your child add their own notes on top of these notes and convey this construction information to his child? For your construction skills, do you keep records? Despite forgetting so much, we can still build by improving ourselves. We can act jointly with the world on construction technologies. We can share these structural chemicals with those in need. We can reach the necessary materials such as walls, flooring, glass from anywhere in the world. We can perform constructions quickly and easily with practical construction materials. It is no longer our criterion that the settlements are as solid as the Egyptian pyramids. Our current criteria are construction time and cost. We do not think much about the durability of the construction exceeding 50 years. Why does construction work involve so many risks when things have become so easy? Having more than one material in the same image, compatibility problems between materials, variable quality, inability to determine the required amount of material correctly. The rate of wastage varies according to the craftsman during the workmanship. Having wasted materials due to faulty workmanship, lack of skilled and experienced employees, have management risks, presence of bureaucratic risks. For reasons like these, many people do not enter the construction business. Unforeseen costs scare us. What if you had an application platform to reduce your construction risks? What if it helps you plan? Does it support you in cost determination? What if it allowed you to pass your records on to future generations? How would it be? This platform will support you voluntarily to reduce the risks in your construction works. If only there was a process market that would make your work easier. If the process market continues to evolve towards your needs. If the application platform had toolkits to make your work easier. If only it could allow you to make your construction plan. What do you think it would be? At the planning stage, if you could draw in detail what your construction would be like. If you could turn the dream you created in your head into a drawing that everyone can see. If you could add the items in your mind to the drawing. If you could prepare your plan in the required dimensions with metric measurements. If only you had easy access to item and plan details. If you could make your controls with a 3-dimensional image in the construction plan. If you could control how the items you placed would look. If you could visually compare the plan of your dreams with the plan that will come true. If you could exchange ideas with your friends over the construction image. If you could navigate through the design in human gaze mode. If you could walk around the environment to be prepared, as if your construction was finished. If you could just walk through your construction plan as if you were playing a game. If only you could clarify in your mind what the finished design would be like. If you could see how your items to be placed would look in their real dimensions. If you could see how people could be positioned in the plan. If you could visualize the construction to be done before it even started, as if it were finished. If you could share ideas on the plan. If only you could record it and consult others. In human gaze mode, you could also control the gaze position from within the master plan. If only you could navigate through the plan without confusion. Once you've prepared your construction plan, you could run your analysis from the process market. If you could make your preferences and customizations at every step and start your process. If you could examine the states of the steps while the process was running. If you could have a detailed look at the process steps. If you could master the process operation. If you could see the report created as a result of the process work. If you could look at the detail of every construction item. If you could do market research automatically. If you could identify the manufacturers. If you could compare the quality of each manufacturer's products. If you could see the average labor cost. If you could look at the cost details used in the calculation. If only you could easily see the average cost of construction to realize your plan. Wouldn't construction work be less risky? If the platform could allow you to save your plan at the end of construction and pass it on to the next generations. Wouldn't the maintenance and continuation of your work be healthier? Do you think those who are dealing with construction works would not benefit from this software platform? Wouldn't construction work be a little easier? Are you ready to discover a new world under data?